Warning message. Crow was crying as a really alarming siren is need when the people come from this earth surface underneath. They create a lot of problems. Even the people cannot stand on this floor. All floor is trembling. They see this. She has. She is complaining that हाथ से गिरे जा रहा है, गिरा रहा. Birds are crying. Birds are flew either here and there. There nobody is there. That raven is again creating problem. सबके हाथ से जो hand from hand the utensil falling down automatically. They are cannot estimating how these are being done, and the peoples in the field they are being fainted. So there are the dangerous conditions in Indian that Ram Mulluk, where that main perforated land and great civilization of India, they come from this northeastern sides underneath. That heavy vehicle they pushed my underneath seat when I was try to take milk or food before when my leg was broken. At that time to take with pain swallowing. That was to increase this. That was very difficult because this pressure on brain in the magnetic field that is not visible. That magnetic jammer, what you do, that radar jammer, magnetic field, that it automatically and slowly people will not understand when that magnetic field is most compact, that will suddenly create collapse. That is very invisible, and that earth penetrating magnetic field coming from surface or surrounding or underneath, that is very critical indication that earth magnetic inner freight, that is all IIT oceanography they are misusing this. All this particular this boy kitten, his age is so distressed. This one I tried to photograph this one. She's totally abnormal. You see, it's totally abnormal. He's totally abnormal. He's suffering from respiratory inner catching and sneezing that is mechanically being done. And this, she fell down from her hand, fell down, and these peoples in the fields and the area where I have written this thing on those people areas in Bengali or this thing, that is a Niltimi, everybody is telling them Niltimi. These peoples I did mention critically those names, and if they allow me, they are suddenly, you have to record that I have to make intentionally record, they are hindering me, that mine, this particular crow crying, alerting sounds, I want to bring your kind notice. That's all against my language speaking power, they are hindering my memory. So when I to show this Bengali write-up, that is a very critical write-up. Those critical write-up and clear write-up, they do not allow me. They are repeatedly, you see the swastika Indian, because they are protection for evil spirit. The spirit sit from underneath. So I have mentioned so important teaching from the master Chanakya, who was a astonishing intelligence about this Raj, that archism. These things I cannot narrate this at this time. I just to quote these things. तो एक है जो ध्रुवानी परित्राज्य अध्रुवानी निजवते ध्रुवानी तस्य नश्यन्ति ध्रुवं नष्टमेव. तो जस्य नास्ति स्वयं प्रज्ञा शास्त्र तस्य करत किम लोचनाभ्यां विहीनस्य दर्पण किं करिष्यति. what I am talking, if you are not aware of this Indian Shastra, then there will be no use. So that was that second line. This one is a Bengali. The Bengali is the most top Sanskrit, matlab civilized language. Taskarasya kuto dharma, where the religion to thieves, rapists, mass murderer, culprit, that who have developed coronavirus, spread coronavirus, adding carcinogens, etc. So this is the taskarasya kuto dharma, durjanasya kuto sama, how they can show mercy even his or her friendship, relatives, who have killed Indrajit Gupta, being his sister, to introduce her own crooked culprit criminal. So Beshanam cha kuta sneha, where can be kindness, mercy or affection. Besha, the prostitute, which is culprit to his own offspring. The little girl, children, they are so afraid from Hindu. Maya, Rupali, Paroli, Vidyut, Bijan, Vipra Ghosh, Bijan Ghosh, Santosh Ghosh, Santosh Mahitos, this Monish, Danish, that the Durvasha, that Dvaidhar, Giddhar Karmakar, etc. The Kutas, Sattancha Kaminang, they cannot maintain truth. They always suppress that old truths to be exposed. That should be, they are suppressing me to, and to political parties to participate in such suppressing the truth is worst sinful act. All those cannot, Durjana Parihartabo, all the crooked men by everyone should be avoided. For the demons, witches is not reliable at all for any time. So that you have to always take this word, that this witches mentality, satanic, Barbar cannot be friendshipable. You cannot make with friends, cannot rely on them, can keep faith on them that they will save you, but other will take life, but you save that if you are supporting, that is